Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on PC with a controller. First, you will need to connect your chosen controller to your computer. You can do this using a USB cable for a wired connection or via Bluetooth for a wireless experience. Make sure your PC's operating system recognizes the device and that any necessary drivers are installed and updated. This initial step is crucial for a smooth gaming session. Once your controller is connected, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 2. From the main menu, head into the game's options. Look for the Controls or Input section, and there you should find an option to switch from keyboard and mouse to your connected controller. Take some time to fine-tune the button mapping and adjust the aiming sensitivity to your personal preference for the best gameplay experience. For some controllers, or if you desire more advanced customization, you might consider using third-party software. Programs like DS4 Windows can help PlayStation controllers integrate seamlessly, offering more control over button assignments and even rumble features. This allows you to map any keyboard command directly to your controller, ensuring every in-game action is accessible. Remember to save your custom profiles for easy access later. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your game or even your entire PC can often resolve minor glitches. Many online communities and forums offer valuable troubleshooting tips for specific controller models or game versions. Finally, dedicate some time to practice in custom games. This will help you get comfortable with your new controller setup and master the game's mechanics with your preferred input method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.